very fun video for you. I got a new bag, and I know you guys love my bag videos. I know you love my Vera Bradley videos. I have quite a few of them. I got a new Vera Bradley. And this one, oh my God, look how pretty she is. So this is the, I'm gonna read it to you because it's something special. This is the Castle Campus backpack. This is only available at Disney Springs. It's part of the 50th anniversary, and I saw it online like in September. When I went in October, I saw it and I had bought enough stuff and I didn't buy it, and I kept thinking about it and kept thinking about it. And I treated myself right after Christmas and I ordered it. So if you don't know this, for the Vera Bradley store in Disney Springs, I don't know if other stores do it, but I know the one in Disney Springs does it. If they have a bag that you want and you are not there, you can call them. You can call them. I ordered this one over the phone. If you know they have a collection and you want something, they will FaceTime you and you can order right over the phone. So I ordered this bag and they shipped it for free, and it came like within a few days. I think I ordered it like on a Wednesday or a Thursday, and I think I ordered it on Wednesday. They sent it out Thursday and I got it on Tuesday. So really excited about that. So this backpack is this, it's not like the normal cotton. It's like a little bit thicker. It has maybe some canvas in it, and it comes with the castle on it. I added my, almost said my logo, my monogram, and adding the monogram was $15. So the bag was $160, which for a backpack is a lot, I know. And then I added the monogram for $15. I wanted this bag for a few reasons. When I first saw it, I didn't think it was like this big, and I thought I was gonna use it in the parks. I think this bag's like way too big to use in the parks. It was a great travel bag. I recently flew to California. I flew with this bag, and I just had a suitcase in this bag, and it was perfect. On the way home, I checked my bag, and I carried just the backpack through, and it was perfect. This may be my new favorite like flying bag, and I'll tell you why. So this is the campus backpack, and this backpack comes in other prints, but it's the same bag regardless of the print. So I guess let me start in the back. So it has padded straps, which are nice, which are adjustable. It has that sleeve, so this fits over your suitcase, which is perfect. It has a nice deep pocket here. This pocket is like the entire back, so this goes all the way through. I have not used this pocket. I think it would be a good place for my phone. I put my phone somewhere else, but I like that kind of hidden pocket. It has elastic pockets on each side. They were great. I was able to slip my boarding pass in there, but then I also bought a bottle of water and put it in there. When it comes to the backpack, the front pocket, and let me show you the print on the, isn't that print pretty? I wish it was like a little bit more Disney. It's not Disney at all. I wish it was Disney, but it's cute. So this is a nice deep pocket that goes all the way through, and that was great. This next pocket is very, the zip comes down wide so you can open it up very nicely. This is fantastic. It has two pockets. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so it has two pockets. It has a pocket here, and they're separated, and a deep pocket here, and they go all the way down. Then on this side, there are, you put pens in here. Can you see how my finger's kind of sticking in there? So that's kind of where it's a canvas backpack. This would also be great for travel, specifically international travel. When you have paperwork you need to fill out on the plane, you can put your pens in there. And then it has like a little thing here, would be great for glasses. And then on this side, it has another pocket down here, and then it has a pocket that has like the plastic. Can you see that? Where you would put your ID. So this is great. Put your ID in there. You don't have to have it in your wallet, and when you have to pull your ID out when you're flying, it's really easy. Your passport fits perfectly right there. And then there's just also room in the pocket. Let me flip this around. So there's lots of room in this pocket. I had plastic baggies, and I had cloth masks and paper masks, and they were great in here. And then also in this pocket, I had my like Clorox wipes, the individual packet, and then my hand sanitizer and my Wet Ones wipes, which was perfect. Super easy access to get to that stuff. Okay, The main pocket is ginormous. I don't think that this, I'm giving you a very good account. Okay, let's look at the bottom of this backpack. Like, huge, huge. So much space. I was able to fit so much stuff in there. And then it also has 2 pockets here. So these pockets are netted pockets, and they don't go all the way down. They just go right there. But those are still deep, really good pockets to put things. I actually kept my earbuds in one, and then I have my external power, which I share all the time. I had that in the other just to keep it handy on the airplane in case I needed to charge my phone, which I did, and it was great to have it there. And then I just had all kinds of other stuff in the body of the bag. The zippers go really far down, so they stop right there, but they go really far down, so you can really get in there and get a lot of stuff in there. So I was actually able to put stuff in there, and then I have just a little crossbody bag that I carry with me on the plane, and I was actually able to shove it in the top, and it fit perfectly. The final thing why I love this bag is there's another section in the back. This section in the back is padded. It is huge. I was able to I put my computer and I put my iPad in here, and there was still more room. I have a MacBook Pro. I have the 15. Is that a thing? I don't have the little one. I have the bigger screen, so I think it's a 15, or is it a 13? I don't remember. It's a big laptop. And it fit in here with plenty of room. I could see where you could get one of those like really massive laptops in here. I like that. So the zipper is higher on this side and lower on this side, so you can kind of peel it back and get it all in there. Even with this thing totally full, it wasn't super heavy. The other thing that I like about it is because of the profile on it, when you put it on your back, on your suitcase, and you stick it, you know, over the, you know what I'm saying, you stick it over the handle like that, it is shaped properly that it didn't fall over. I have other bags, I have other Vera Bradley bags that because of the way that they're shaped, you have to hold on to it, because if you don't, it's not evenly distributed and the bag will fall over. I did not have that problem with this bag. I cannot say enough good things about this bag. I am absolutely obsessed. It was pricey, you know, it was like $185. It's a lot, I get it, but I'm kind of obsessed with it. I have not washed it. I don't need to wash it right now, but because it's cloth, I have always washed and just air dried my Vera Bradley bags, and I feel like I could do the same with that. Has a nice little handle on the top. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you love it as much as I do? So this bag also comes in silver. I of course preferred the pink, and there's other pieces in the collection. I wanted the backpack. You can have anything embroidered on it. You can pick your color. I just picked the silver because I just wanted it to kind of go together. But I wanted to share it with you because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this bag. Tell me in the comments below, do you like this bag? Would you buy this bag? Was I totally crazy spending $185 on this bag? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I have a lot more Disney videos on the way. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!